Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are creating a V-block stand. Let's take a look at some dimensions. The overall dimension of the block is 7 by 3 inches with a depth of 2 inches. Uh, we're going to create the left side of the block first, and then we'll mirror at the end to complete the whole shape. So let's begin. First we will create a new part. The units are in inches, so let's confirm in the property window that we have the right unit. So go to options and under document properties, first make sure your drafting standard is set to ANSI or ISO. The units will select inches. So now we're ready to start modeling. Under the feature manager, we can select the front plane, making a sketch. Select line. We're going to roughly create the shape of the half section of the block. So now let's define some dimensions. So this is 2 inches. The height of the block is 3 inches. If you recall, this is 7 in total since we're doing half, so this is now 3.5. This dimension here is 1.5. This is 1.5. And this dimension here from here to here is 1 as well. So we have created the half section of the block. So now let's confirm and extrude. The depth of the block is 2 inches. Let's confirm. So now we need to add some holes. If you see here, so we have 2 holes here. The smaller hole is 1/2 inch diameter, and the bigger hole is 1 inch. If you notice, the bigger hole has a depth of 1/4 of an inch. So let's work on that. So click on the face, sketch. Again, we'll make a rough sketch for the holes. Let me create some relationships. So I want these two to be equal. So this one we set is 0.5. The distance from the center to the edge is 1 inch. Similar to this. This is also 1 inch. Next, we need to define it to the top of the block, and this is also 1 inch. Now let's do the same for the bottom, and this is also 1 inch. So we have created the circles for to create the hole. So now extruded cut, and then we can select through all. The sketches are already selected, so you can just hit confirm, and we created the hole. So now we have to create the bigger hole at the bottoms. So let's define. This is 1 inch diameter hole, and let's confirm. So this hole is let's create a cut. So this hole is not supposed to go through all the part. It has a distance, so we can create line, and then the distance per the drawing, let me bring up the drawing. So it's 1/4 of an inch. So we can put here 0.25 and hit OK. Next, we have to, if you notice, there are a few fillets on all the edges of the block, and the fillet radius is 0.125. So let's continue. So let's select fillet, and since we want to make a fillet on all 4 sides of this shape, we can just select the middle face, and similarly we can continue with the rest. And also we need it at the back. The fillet radius is 1.25, so we can change that and hit OK. So we have created the half section of the block. So now let's mirror the these components so we can create the whole shape. So under the mirror, let's select. So if you look at the front view, so we want to mirror this along the right plane. So under plane, you just select the right plane, so it'll mirror. Hit OK. So if you notice, not all the features were transferred to the mirror command. So in order to fix that, let's go back. So you need to select all the features that you want to be mirrored. So you select all 4, and now you hit again mirror. If you notice here, so all these features are going to mirror, and all we have to do now is select the right plane. And there you have the mirror image of the right side with all the features. And this concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.